Hello and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars here in Leeds, and thank you once again for your inquiry on this wonderful 7 Series that we are very proud to be bringing to market. This particular model is the 730D M Sport 3-litre diesel automatic, and it's finished in the Magellan grey metallic paintwork and it's complemented by the wonderful Ivory white and black Nappa leather on the interior, which we'll be having a look at very shortly. Now, there are some great bits of news with this vehicle. First of all, the vehicle's service history has a full BMW service history, with the most recent one being done late September 2022. It's always great to see. And this particular car has a grand total of £9,035 worth of factory fitted optional extras. And what I'd certainly like to do on this video is take you through some of those. So we'll divide them up between the exterior and interior, so we can try and list them as well as possible. And starting off with the exterior, we have soft closing doors all round, which is a £560 factory option. We also have the exterior trim, the high gloss shadow line, which effectively de-chromes the vehicle and gives it the gloss black around the weather seal and the trim along the bottom of the doors as well, which is a £475 factory option. We have sun protection glass from the B pillar backwards. So that's properly frosted glass rather than it being a film in any way. And that particular option, £420. We also have surround view, so as well as the reversing camera that would be standard on this model, we also have cameras underneath the wing mirrors and up front on the vehicle, giving you a full 360-degree view, which turns as you turn the vehicle. So for a vehicle of this size, making parking very easy. That particular option, £400. And we also have the park assist, so the self-parking, which was a £375 factory option. Now let's head inside the vehicle, where that specification and quality continues. So this is where we're going to be able to see the ivory and white leather. We'll start off with the rear of the vehicle. Extreme comfort levels for rear seat passengers back here. We can see items such as the electronic seat control, fully individual ventilation with heated seats, the supple and soft headrests for the rear seat passengers, and of course that privacy glass, keeping everything nice and cool in the back of the vehicle. As we head up front, we're going to find quite a lot of items up here, so let's list a few of these that we have. So we have, first of all, those comfort seats in the rear that we just saw, which is a £1,750 factory option. We also have the head-up display, which of course the driver will be able to see. That's a £1,150 option. Harman Kardon surround sound. The speaker grille's just there, which is a £995 factory option. Driving assist, a £985 factory option. Heated comfort package in the front and the rear, so as well as there being heated seats and heated steering wheel, we also have heated armrest and one in the centre as well. All extremities kept warm in this one, of course. Now we have the interior trim in the fine line blackwood with the high gloss and metal finish. So right down the door cards, across the dashboard, and as you can see, accented with that ambient lighting, really does finish off the interior of the car very nicely. A £375 option, that particular one. We also have BMW individual rear reading lights, which are £330. An anthracite headlining at £325. Sports automatic transmission, £235. And BMW gesture control at £160, allowing you to swipe your hand across the dashboard, make adjustments to the volume, etc. So they are the factory additional options. Of course, as a 7 Series, comes with a whole host of standard equipment, but very nice to see nearly £10,000 worth of factory fitted optional extras on this vehicle. Really has to be seen to be believed, this one. So I do hope you find the video informative. If we have missed anything, if there's any other details that you need to know, please do get in touch and we'll be happy to pass over the information. But thank you once again for inquiring on this vehicle. We will be in touch very soon with the calculations. Thanks again, and bye for now.